oh man, tonight is history in the making, brother. It's been over 7 years, but now, finally, your rock and roll lords, your heavy metal gods of thunder are back in action, Jack. Right here, tonight, RCW, we're taking on Crazy Ivan and the Violator. Right here tonight in Reading, Pennsylvania. I know I'm fired up. The man Tarzan Durant, you fired up, brother?
Oh, that's right. I am fired up. Tonight you're going to see Ricky Roxon and I let loose at RCW in Reading, Pennsylvania. Tonight we are going to get wild and we are going to rain down with heavy metal all over this town. Whoa, yeah.
It's been too long. That's what we want to see. That's what we want to hear. The man's got fire in his eyes. He's got blood in his teeth. He's coming to tear it up. Violator, I got a feeling you're going to be the one getting violated, Daddy.
That's right. Crazy Ivan, Violator, come bite me!
Crazy Ivan better watch himself, because my man's a little crazy. Rock and roll lords are back, Jack. You can take it to the bank. Woo!
Introducing team number 1, accompanied by the Warden, first weighing at 200 pounds and hailing from the white van, Two-Face Violator. His tag team partner weighs in at 207 pounds, including his ankle bracelet, currently residing at the East Jersey State Prison in Rahway, New Jersey, Crazy Ivan!
I don't even think Ivan knows he's in a wrestling match tonight. Well, you know, look at the Warden's showing him the key. I don't know why he's showing Violator.
On a combined weight of 410 pounds and hailing from the jungles of Jersey, they are
so long that the mullet is now in style.
He's back around. He was waiting for it to come back.
And he's in now.
Trendsetter. Ray checking out the two lunatics over here because he knows what to expect from these two.
How could Crazy Ivan have any contraband? He's in jail.
You can make a shank out of anything, Sam.
Are you saying he could be keystering it right now? Do you think Ray's going to check?
Ray making sure the warden gets out, checking out. Now he's gonna check the rest. See, this man calls it down the middle. I'm telling you. Oh my God! This action starts right away. Oh, the rock and roll is reversing. Oh, and big shots to both men. I'm telling you, I've seen the look in Crazy Ivan's eyes. He's not all there.
No, I think there's some emptiness. Look, he's being hit and just laughing.
He doesn't even know. I'm telling you, he doesn't even realize he's being hit.
Oh, and Violator and him slam into each other.
And Violator putting a choke in a sleeper hold. We've got a double sleeper
hold.
Wow.
Is Ray Torres going to get control here? This is a tornado tag match, to my knowledge.
Ray is giving the fans exactly what they want. A little bit of action. Rock and rollers off the ropes. Oh, drop kick and super kick combination. Both men down and they spread out on the floor.
I'll give it. These rock and rollers are impressive. I don't think they're going to win because Violator doesn't feel pain, at least not emotionally.
Certainly not emotionally. Oh, double kick to the gut.
They're still double teaming. When is Ray Torres going to get these rock and rollers out of the ring? It's not 1983.
Here we go with the double armbar. What's about to happen here? Now Ray's administering the count. Oh, thrown it in the middle of the turnbuckle. Whoa. Ray out of control. And now Crazy Ivan caught in this armbar too. He has no idea what's about to happen then, does he? Or does he care?
Administering the count.
Oh, Violator with a double hip toss thrown to the ground. These rock and rollers are just non-stop on the Violator. Double elbows.
He's a cover. He's missing a cover here.
Cover one. Oh, and a kick out at
one count.
Kick out at
little late there by Ray getting over for the count.
Ray has a lot to control here. You've got two newcomers.
Madness.
You've got two newcomers and two insane people. How's he going to control that?
Oh,
what a shot to the chops.
Vicious. It's a good thing Violator doesn't get by being pretty.
Well, he's always got his mask. Oh, kick to the side of the face again.
Speaking of that mask, I was thinking that maybe you should try wearing one permanently.
That I will not have you talk about my looks. Thank you very much. 1, 2, and oh, and he kicks out at 2.
It's going to take a lot more than that to put down the two-face Violator.
I am meant to be heard, not seen, Sam, so thank you very much.
Ivan looks like he wants to get in the ring, but he's deciding to follow the rules, which is crazy.
I don't think he knows what he's doing. I really don't. There's another lateral press 1, 2, and oh. Even with the leg hooked, he kicked out at 2. These rock and rollers, they are efficient as a tag team.
They've cut off the ring here.
Yep, that's smart. Violator up. Oh, wow, right in the center of the ring. Here's a cover, and Ivan has seen enough. Oh, Ivan has seen enough out of his partner.
He's trying to motivate him.
Incredible tag team action down here at Mega Brawl down by the Riverside Beneficial. You said so yourself, Sam, in the middle between those two matches. It seems like the action is moving so fast, I can hardly keep up. Oh, now Ivan got a hold of the mullet. He's using the mullet to his advantage.
Ivan caught Ricky Rocks there with a knee right to the kidneys.
Ivan loves it. Look at that sick smile on his face. And now the choke. Oh, into the turnbuckle. Oh, hard elbow into the chops. Ivan slowing the pace down, huh? He should shove the referee.
I'm worried about what happens if the Warden just loses complete control of Ivan.
Have you noticed the Warden still has firm grasp on that key?
I'm worried about what happens when he loses it.
Then Ivan is free, and God help us all.
And now he's biting the hand of Ricky Rock. God knows where that hand's been, too.
Well, we know it was on the turnbuckle earlier. Oh, what a shot across the chops. And the Violator just across the back, off the side rope. Oh, wow. Right across the throat, that rope. Have you felt these ropes before, Sam? Have you been in the ring before?
You know, the Big Boss Man used to do something similar to that, and that used to be the precursor, the beginning of the end.
So you're saying there could be a side slam in the
The
future?
Boss Man Slam? Yeah.
I do believe it's called the Creepy Whistle. Ivan just working him over. He's tugging on his beard. Never have I seen
I'll
that.
tell you
That's
what,
different.
as a man who's had a longer beard before, that hurts.
Sure it does. That's why I don't grow. It has nothing to do with the fact that I can't grow one. It's just because
No, I think you can grow facial hair. It's just, you know, you don't, because you want to maintain your boyish good looks.
Now you've got the audience all confused. Before I was wearing a mask, now I've got boyish good looks. Oh, misses a lariat. Oh, kick to the gut. DDT right in the center. Oh, and Ivan spiked right in the center of the ring.
I was clear being facetious when I said your boyish good looks.
Luckily, I wasn't looking at you. I've said that for many things. Ray with the double count here. Will either man answer the 10 count?
Ivan looking to get the tag here to Violator, and Ricky rocks over to Tarzan.
Tag to the head of Ivan. And now Violator's in. A little hot tag here. Oh! And Rock's missing. Oh! Kick right to the side.
Crowd going wild here for Tarzan.
Back elbow. Oh! Side kick. Violator goes straight down.
Spinning roundhouse there by Tarzan.
Cover 1, 2, and oh, and Ivan breaks up the count. Wait, Ivan with the cover? Wait a second. What just happened?
I have no. What?
Wait a second.
Ivan wasn't the legal man, was he?
I don't believe so.
Ivan
That can't
was
be
not
the case.
legal man.
Ivan was not the legal man, I don't think.
I don't think so. Oh, he just got popped hard.
Ladies and gentlemen,
What just happened here?
Your referee, Ray Torres, has reversed his decision. Your winners by disqualification, the